More silver for the chest. The stream be starting.
What is going on, guys? Thank you guys so much for coming to the live stream. Appreciate all of you guys on here. I know it's kind of late, so you might not get as many viewers. Looks like my audio is pretty good, but appreciate all of you guys that are on here, and everybody also that was in my live stream yesterday. I did live stream yesterday a little bit on my second channel, and for you guys that didn't make it, it's all good. I only live stream about like 2 hours or so. Actually like an hour and a little bit more, but it's all good. I just live streamed the game Shiba Eternity that came out yesterday. I played it. Audio is good. Grizz says thank you so much, Grizz. Thank you guys for coming on here. Motivation, Old Man Jenkins, appreciate all of you guys on here. And yeah, yesterday I was live on my second channel. Thank you all that made it. But I was just playing the game Shiba Eternity on my phone, and it was on my computer. What sucked though was like that I had to keep refreshing it every 10 minutes because the program that I use to show it on my computer, you know, I have the free version, so every 10 minutes I have to like refresh it or whatever. So but yeah, about the game though, I like the game. There are just some cons to it that I got right off the bat from my first impressions. Like I said, I was gonna tell you my first impressions. I'll probably have a video coming out to my main channel, like a review video. But my first impressions are pretty much good. It was really just like I said, it's not as smooth as like other card games, but again, this is just it just came out, right? It just came out, but it's pretty good for just a beginner, like a first time app from Shiba, right? Who knows, maybe they can make more apps and more games if this one's a hit. But I liked it. And then the other con was the cards were just so hard to read. And I played like I said, I played Hearthstone and other games. When you click on the card or when you hover on them, they get like, they're big. They get big so you can read it better. And that's one of the cons of this game, and I feel like that's something really easy that they can fix, but we'll see. But also, guys, about last time when we were trading here Bitcoin, okay, you can see right here on my chart, I still have my my long position here that I put, but this is, look, this is a perfect example, guys. Look, this is a perfect example of why I'm more of like a conservative trader. Like I'll rather wait for the confirmation to get in on the long or short, because look at this. Look, a lot of people are longing up here, remember? And I said, okay, I'll long when it gets over here. It never got triggered, guys. Look at that. It never got triggered. You see, look, a lot of people are longing over here saying, okay, let's long right here. And I told you, remember I told you, I said, why would you long right there? We're at the top of the we're at the top of the range, right? We're at the top of the range since we fell back here in September 13th. So why would I long right there when I would, like I said, I would rather wait to get a good confirmation. And look at that, we didn't come up here to fill my long position. You see? So this is a perfect example of why I am this type of trader. You know, I'd rather wait, even if it's, you know, even if I could have made an even bigger profit. It's better to wait on a good confirmation before just getting in when everybody's trying to FOMO in on a trade. You see what I'm saying? And then look, if you would have got up here, if you would have longed up here, look, Bitcoin just came trending down, right? Because this is what happens. Look, we have an uptrend. Everybody's bullish, like, hey, we're on the uptrend, blah blah blah. And I remember this uptrend. I said, okay, we're going on the uptrend, but once we get up here to the range, there's no point of longing until we break this range and we get a double top. And remember, I said we might get a double top. Boom, double top, and then we trend down. So That's what happened. That's what happened. I took a short yesterday, then canceled for a long, and the short played out. Yeah, that's great motivation. Let me ask you, what made you take the short? What made you take the short yesterday on Bitcoin? Let me know what was it because it couldn't break through this range because of the pattern that it was showing? Because I remember he said an inverse head and shoulders. By the way, I'm having some Ticino right now with some Maria cookies. Pretty sure you guys have Maria cookies. But man, let me tell you, Ticino, I love Ticino. I just got it like last week from Amazon, and it is literally the best coffee replacement. If you're someone that likes coffee and you want to replace it, I'm telling you, man, Ticino is definitely the best one. Because I personally like coffee, but I just don't. I wanted to stop drinking it, which I've have the last weeks and stuff, because it's just, I just feel like it's not good for like my body. Like for other people it can be different, but I just feel like it's not good. Hey, what's up, Trusting Gamer? How you doing, bro? Thanks for coming to the live stream. How you been? If you guys know, yesterday I live streamed on my second channel. GT was there. What's up, GT? We played a Shiba Eternity for a little bit, and I actually got to play one of the subscribers. Somebody came on and he added me and we got to play. It was really fun. It was a great experience. So like I said, I will be live streaming crypto gaming over there, because I don't want to mix up crypto gaming with this channel, which is more like trading and crypto in general. But it was pretty fun. Like I said, my first impressions are good. I'll probably make a first impressions review for this channel. But my first impressions were good. I just had some cons to it that were okay. But if you guys are just coming on, this is what happened since last stream, guys. You see this exact long right here that I had. Remember, I was talking about this long. It didn't get triggered. Okay, and the reason why it didn't get triggered is because I said how long if it gets up here. Guess what happened? We never got up there. You know why? Because we didn't break out of this range. And remember, I was telling you guys about this range. This is an important range because we haven't broken this since. I mean, we haven't. This is the range that where we came down from September 13th, all the way from 22,000. This is why this range is important. And basically, what we did was we had a double top, boom, boom, and then we trended down. Okay, and now we're trying to hold this range right here, which is another important range that I had drawn here. Like all these ranges, guys, I don't redraw them. I just have them up there, and like it makes trading so simple, you know, to understand. And you can see, like, I had this range here drawn since last live stream, and look at that, it's just holding it right now. Want a cup of coffee for me in the AM, but very small coffee hits dirt differently as you get older, I noticed. Yeah, definitely GT, 100%. See, the thing with coffee was, like, I grew up drinking coffee, you know, because if your parents drink coffee and you drink, and the thing is, guys, like, about Brazilians, like, I don't know how it works with your culture, but like the way that Brazilians are with coffee, and coffee is a big thing in Brazil. Like they grow a lot of coffee beans in Brazil, but the way that Brazils drink coffee is they do it in the morning, but they also do it in the evening, after they have like a big meal. So that's one thing for you guys that didn't know that about Brazilians. So it's like part of the culture. Like after they have a big meal, like a couple minutes later, they'll say, "Oh, you want some coffee?" I'm pretty sure they do it on some restaurants too. But yeah, it usually we have it in the mornings and also like in the evenings. I can drink coffee before bed. Yeah, that's the thing. Some people can. Some people react bad to coffee and some people don't, right? Hey, what's Mr. Fruity? How are you, bro? Thanks for coming to the live stream. I'm doing pretty good. I'm excited because tomorrow is my last day of working, and then I get a 3-day weekend. So I'm super excited. I'll probably try to live stream again tomorrow night because I won't have to worry about waking up the next day. So I just got one more day left to work, and then 3-day weekend. I'm excited for this weekend too. A lot of sports games this weekend. So I'm excited to see all the games this weekend. But if you guys don't know, what I'm drinking here, which I told GT is it's called Ticino. And basically, like, I did a lot of research. I was looking for like a coffee alternative, but still was similar to coffee, like the same ritual. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like tea, but tea's not the same as coffee. Like, it tastes completely different, right? I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys agree with that, with tea and coffee. So then I found Ticino on Amazon, and I ordered it, I think like a week ago, and it's pretty good. I personally like it. I like Ticino. To be honest, it's like, if you're like a hardcore coffee fan and you're like hardcore, you're probably not gonna like Ticino because it's like a different flavor, right? But it's not bad. You know what I'm saying? Like, it can to me it can still replace coffee. Like, I've been drinking this instead of coffee, you know, the last weeks or so. Yeah, that's one thing about coffee. I like the way it smells. See, the thing is, like, since I do I'm a mailman, so sometimes I'll have like coffee packages that are like literally coffee beans, and my car would just be smelling like coffee the entire day, and it smells like really, really good. It really does smell good. GT said, Lewis, you got any Diesel? What do you mean Diesel? What do you mean by Diesel? My parents are Arabs, Motivation said. I have like 10 coffee a day. Wow, really? So Arabs have a lot of coffee, Motivation. I used to it. Hey, what's up, Ollie Holmes? Ollie Holmes said, excuse me. Ollie Holmes said, I contacted Christopher Harris in his Telegram. Great group. He did mention that Bitcoin will drop to 0. What do you think? Thank you, Ollie Holmes, for speaking about that, because I am in his Telegram as well. Now, did you contact him personally, or you just joined his Telegram? But yeah, I am in Christopher Harris's Telegram as well, and I'll tell you my opinion on Bitcoin flash crashing to 0, because I know he did say that. But I covered his latest stream. If you haven't seen it yet, hopefully you saw it. I'm pretty sure you saw it, but I covered his latest stream of Luna Classic. It's this one right here. You can watch it after the live stream with Luna Classic. Well, basically Binance coming out, surprising everyone, and talking about their Luna tax burn being better. But my opinion on the flash crash on Christopher Harris's dream with Bitcoin flash crashing to 0, and a lot of people had the dream too, right? My opinion, like, it's possible. It definitely is possible. The only thing is, Ali, my opinion on it is, like, I don't believe Bitcoin will go to 0, because, like, this is the thing. A lot of people say, oh, Bitcoin will go to 0. When people say that, people think like, oh, people are just gonna sell their Bitcoin. Big people are gonna sell the Bitcoin, and basically everybody's gonna sell the Bitcoin. I do not think Bitcoin will ever go to 0 or near those like low numbers from people selling it. I think there'll always be a big buyer of Bitcoin. I believe from his dreams and other people's dreams is that it will go to 0 based on a certain event, like a exploit, a hack, right? There's many types of events that can cause it to flash crash to 0 for, like I said, it doesn't have to, it could be seconds, right? So that's my opinion on it. But like I said, if people say, oh, it's impossible, blah, 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 no, it's definitely possible. It definitely is possible. Like I said, I don't think it's possible from people just selling it. Like, let's say there's some really bad news on Bitcoin, this and that. I don't think it's going to go to 0 that way from people selling it. Only by an exploit, a hack, or some type of bug, like if they depeg Bitcoin or something. I don't know, but just some type of event like that. Why will it drop to 0? Basically, Mr. Fruity, like, a lot of people been having dreams of Bitcoin dropping to 0 for months. Certain people, they've been having similar dreams of it going to 0. I'm not saying these dreams are coming true. I'm not saying it will. I'm open-minded to it, but that's why a lot of people talk about it. Brooklyn said, "LOL, it's possible, but it ain't happening, Lewis." Yeah, like I said, it's at the moment it's just like a dream, right? It's just what people are saying, but I'm not saying it will happen. I'm just open-minded to it, and to be honest, guys, the best way to prepare for something like that, which a lot of people that made those dreams or like talk about that in the crypto prophecy community on YouTube, the best thing to do is put limit orders, low limit orders. Okay. Ali said, "Do you know when it's likely to happen before the next bull run?" Question mark. So basically, based on what Christopher Harris said, I think there's like certain types of situations, because he said it might go to, definitely if it goes to 10,000. So it's very situational, Ali. So if Bitcoin goes to like 10,000, 12,000, then it might flash crash to zero, because he said that 10,000 was a key price where it'll crash. It'll go to 10,000, it'll crash to zero, then it'll come back to 10,000. He mentioned that. But he also did mention 35,000, and there's other people that dream too that mentioned 35,000 and also like 107K. So it's very situational. Can it? Yeah, it can. It can go to. It can. We can have a bull run still before it flash crashing to zero. Mr. Fruity said, but something like Bitcoin has to be prepared for any type of attack. GT said it can't crash to zero. Satoshi Coin, Sailor, etc. never sell. Yeah, that's what I was saying, GT. Like I said, I don't think it will crash to zero if it by people selling it. I just said I think the only way is if there's like an exploit to it, or a hack to it. But I don't think it will go to zero based on people like selling it, right? I mean, like, even meme coins that died off didn't go completely to zero, right? From people selling it. Mr. Fruity said, Sir Lewis, you think the price of drop of Luna Classic is good because the returns are better for the people that are staking it? What do you mean by that, Mr. Fruity? Do you think the price of drop of Luna is good because the returns are better for the people? How would the price dropping be better for the returns? What do you mean by that? Like, does it help the return for staking it? Like, when Luna Classic drops, does it help the staking rewards? Chris says, I don't know if it was Chris, but it was said it was backdoor at Coinbase. Backdoor. What do you mean, Grizz? What do you mean it was a backdoor at Coinbase? What do you mean by that? GT said, decentralized social network, Dezo, another small market cap, low supply project. Oh, check it out. Never heard of it. I'll check it out here on CoinMarketCap. Dezo. We'll check out Dezo. Oh, I see it right here. Yeah, maybe like that. That's what I was saying. Like an exploit, a glitch, some type of event that we still might not know, right? The rewards are higher. Oh, okay. So the rewards are higher. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Like I said, I might stake some of my Luna Classic. I'm thinking of staking some of my Luna Classic that I have. Wow, look at this. It's been performing really well, Dezo. Coming back here from $18. So the high was around 23, right? 18. Well, this is the day. My bad. This is on the daily. Yeah, the high was like way over here at 130. But I mean, it's still been performing decently here in the bear market. Dezo is a type of blockchain designed to power Web3 decentralized social networks. Wow. Since its inception in 2019, Dezo aims to solve the problems created by present social media centralization. I really like this. I like this idea because centralization in social media like Facebook and Instagram is a really big deal nowadays, and I think there's gonna be a move of migration towards something that's more decentralized. So I like the idea of this. Like, the only thing is to actually make it work, right? And actually take action. So thanks for letting us know about Dezo GT. I'll definitely keep an eye on it. This is their website right here. Welcome to the social layer of Web3. But yeah, that's Dezo. It's ranked 226, so pretty low market cap. Heck, that will cause a flash crash. Today is my first day finding out about Dezo. I've been hunting all small supply crypto projects. And that's, GG, that's a great thing to be doing, right? During the bear market. Hunting, you know, low cap crypto projects that have a possibility to a 100x, 1000x, right? Because, you know, Cardano was once below a penny, right? Polygon was once below a penny. The people that did the research like you, right, and found them early and saw that, man, this has potential here. Let me, you know, buy some. I mean, those people got, you know, made a lot of money buying Polygon below a penny, you know, Cardano below a penny, Solana. So, guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Yes, thank you so much, Mr. Fruity, for reminding everyone. Thank you guys so much. We already got 14 viewers, 8 likes. You guys are awesome. Thank you for smashing the like buttons. I also want to share here a video with you actually regarding the flash crash to Bitcoin to zero, right? Because, you know, I've been keeping up with Crypto Prophecy and all these things. And I found this video here with this guy. He's actually one of my favorite, like, crypto influencers. I'm pretty sure you guys heard of him. What's his name? Bare Naked. Yeah, Bare Naked Crypto. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of him. I really enjoy his content. He's very sincere. He's not like those influencers that just like shill all the time. But he actually made a video here, and one thing is, like, he has no connection with the Crypto Prophecy community or Crypto Dreams or anything like that. So when he made this video, I was like, wow, because this is somebody that has no idea of these dreams with Bitcoin going into zero, flash crashing to zero, and Crypto Prophecy. So someone outside of the community. So I'll show you here this video. And it's basically like a little theory. So let's check out the video right here.
So, TikTok. I have an insane freaking theory. But nothing I say right now is financial advice, pure speculation. Don't follow anything I say. Now that we have that out of the way, let me tell you what I think is going to happen somewhere in the next 2 years or less. So you know about that video I made that every major crypto exchange CEO is either leaving, quitting, or deciding to sell it? I have a little theory here. Hear me out. So back in February, the Kraken CEO warned to get your centralized coins out of exchanges. Now, the reason he said that was during the Canadian convoy trucker fucking thing, they were able to block transactions for the truckers, right? That ones that were being donated Bitcoin and whatever and so forth. Just very recently, he quit this position as CEO at that exchange. And recently, Russia agreed for Bitcoin to be used as cross-border payment. Hear me out. The war seems to be escalating in Russia. There seems to be much tighter regulations on crypto coming very soon. If some super black swan event that people aren't thinking about, which I am, what if something happens with Russia, maybe they use nuclear weapons, maybe they don't, maybe they escalate the war to even crazier, and the world governments, whether it's America or whoever, comes out and says, exchanges, please block the transfer of Bitcoin and maybe other cryptocurrencies because it could be funding Russia, terrorism, blah, blah, blah. That would cause Bitcoin to absolutely get decimated because its only value is transfer of money. And if those are stuck on centralized exchanges, not your keys, not your crypto, then we might potentially see an absolute meteoric fucking crash. What do you think of my theory? It's a little bit out there, it's a little bit forward thinking, and a lot of things have to line up for it to happen. But there's a reason why those CEOs of exchanges are quitting. There's a reason why we're saying not your keys, not your crypto. Take it easy, guys. Naked Nation out.
Yeah, so what do you guys think about that? What do you think about his theory? Like, I actually commented on his video here. It says makes more sense than the melt up theory. If you guys know what the melt up theory was, but he actually replied here laughing. But yeah, if you guys don't have TikTok or Instagram, definitely follow me on there. I'm pretty active on there as well. But yeah, what do you guys think about his theory? It kind of makes sense because, you know, but it all depends on the war escalating, right? Which God forbid happens, right? I don't want the war to escalate. But if that were to happen, right, I can definitely see USA countries doing what he said they would do, which is like block crypto addresses, right, regarding, or all crypto addresses or something like that, right? Wait, he didn't say Bitcoin won't recover. He's saying Bitcoin won't recover. I don't think he said Bitcoin won't recover. I just think he said that during that time that they do that, Bitcoin will, like, Bitcoin and every crypto would fall dramatically due to the war and due to, you know, regulations blocking crypto addresses, just like they did with the trucker what was it called? The truckers in Canada that were protesting, yeah, the trucker protest, where they blocked their addresses, like their crypto addresses, from like exchanges and stuff. So I don't know, just a theory. And again, he's somebody that has like no connection with, like, I don't even think he knows about the Bitcoin to zero dreams and prophecy. GC said, Lewis, I've been listening to a lot of Robert Breedlove. That guy could be a co-leader if he ever choose to be very well spoken and very well educated in Bitcoin maxi to boot. Really, I'll check him out. Let me look at him here. Let me see. I never heard of him though. Yeah, I never heard of him. I wasn't even subscribed to him, but I'll subscribe now. We'll check out here one of his latest videos. Let's check it out.
The next speaker we have coming up is another good friend. He's a returning speaker.
Motivation said, he said all the CEOs are leaving for a reason, which is technically saying it's over. Yeah, that's the thing that he said, that we've been watching, like, a lot of CEOs have just been coming down, right, from Bill Gates to what's his name, Michael Saylor, and all these CEOs coming down, stepping down. You know, it's kind of weird. Good to see you, SL. What's up, Roger? Good to see you too, bro. Thanks for coming to the live stream. How you been? But yeah, let's take a look here at Robert Breedlove. Never heard of him.
He is also another deep thinker that might challenge a lot of the things.
He's had Jordan Peterson on his channel, Michael Saylor. Really? He's had both of them on his channel?
That you know.
Wow. Let's check it out right
kind
here.
of the last part. He's going to kind of come close it out for us.
In advance for your attention, and I hope this talk will help unpack what exactly I mean by that. I want to talk a lot about attention today. And typically I like to talk about things that I've written about and I understand really well, but today I'm going to do something a little more risky. I'm going to talk about some things that I've been thinking about, but I haven't necessarily written about to crystallize my thinking. So I hope this will be fun for you guys, as it is for me. So I hope this provides like some unique and useful insights. I'll do a little bit of the talk, probably 30 minutes, and then we'll try to do some Q&A. So I hope this helps spark some Q&A. You can be thinking of your questions as we go. So all that, does that sound good? Sound good with everybody? Let's do that, okay. So let's do this. Let's start with a story. This story is very recent and relevant. Last night I was at dinner with a few of you that are probably in the audience that I can't see because there's lights in my eyes. And I sat at a table with a few guys. We talked about a lot of things. We talked about work, we talked about dating, we talked about marriage, we talked about life goals, kids, aspirations, all
Let me check out
things.
one of his other videos here. But yeah, I like the way he speaks. He's very well spoken. Let me see here. Because that was like kind of like a TED Talk. But is he like a Bitcoin maxi too? Let me see if I can find the one with Michael Saylor. So I like the fact that he has like a lot of videos regarding like philosophy, psychology, because I'm really into that too. So I'll definitely check out his videos while I work and check out the ones. But thanks for letting me know about him. We'll check out this one right here. Where is it? Everything divided by 21. Pretty sure he's talking about Bitcoin. Yes, more than anyone but freaking smart.
Today, I'd like to tell you about our sponsor, Swan Private. Now, you know from listening to this show that our money is broken.
Mr. Newt Swanholm, welcome back to the What is Money show.
Thanks a lot, Robert. Nice to be here.
Great to have you on again. So today we're going to jump through a couple of documents. One is this article you shared with me titled Real Scaling Solution for Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin Magazine article from...
I like that
I
you
don't
put like
know what
timestamps
date
in
it
here.
was published.
How Bitcoin minimizes
recent.
trust.
I wrote it like a week ago.
Okay,
It's quite. I think it came out Monday.
great. So this is we're recording this in late July 2022. So this is a recent article. And I will...
I'm definitely
start
gonna
with
save this video to watch it tomorrow at work. I'll definitely save it here. My likes. So he talks. I like the timestamps here. He says how Bitcoin is a tool for storing and saving time. Everything divided by 21. The line between living and non-living. So very interesting. I'll definitely check his videos out because they're like long form videos. I'll definitely check them out while I work tomorrow because I like to listen to like podcasts and stuff like that while I work. So I appreciate you guys for letting me know about him. Because as you guys know, like I'm a big fan of Bitcoin. Like I do like Bitcoin. I'm not a Bitcoin maxi, but I'm a fan of Michael Saylor. I'm a fan of Bitcoin. Did you trade today? I didn't trade today. What's up, Red 2 Green? Roger said, I haven't been trading or researching crypto this week. Been mostly into the stock market, economic news. Yeah, Roger. I mean, it's all good. I haven't been, I've been like working a lot of overtime, so I haven't been trading as much. But yeah, it's just a lot of things happening, right? With the economic news, the reports coming out today, and the report for inflation is coming out very soon, right? And just a lot of geopolitical news as well. So, and crypto's just been kind of like boring lately. The last week or so, really hasn't been any big news regarding it. GT said, Lewis, my recommendation for you while you do your mail route is worth a listen. Yeah, I will definitely check it out. Like I said, I love hearing, podcasts or live streams or videos while I do my my mail route. So I'll definitely check out that video. I liked it. I put in my by liking, I have like a playlist, so I'll check it out. Please can check out EER Coin. Yes, EER Coiner. Is it just EER? I mean EER. My bad. ERR. Which one is it? I can't find it on TradingView. Is this like a really low cap coin? Let me see if I can find it on market cap. ERR. Oh, this one, right? Coin. So it's Coiner. Okay, so it's Coiner. Let me see if I can search Coiner. It's not on TradingView, so I can't chart it. But I found it on CoinMarketCap. The markets that it's available on is LBank, BitTrue, Bitmart. Roger said, I've been about Tama Doge. It made gains recently. Yeah, I remember Tama Doge. People talking about it. I don't know where I can find the chart for this. Official site. Yeah, let me see where I can find a chart for Coiner. It's just not on TradingView. Wow, guys, look at this. This just came out. Breaking news. This just came out a few minutes ago. Breaking news. Gunfire erupts during high school football game in Toledo, Ohio. At least 3 victims. Wow. Let's take a look. Let's check out the video. This just came out like a few minutes ago, so. Wow, that's crazy.
Pass caught by Corvell Morgan. Morgan
Wow,
to the
look.
20.
Everybody's like running away and leaving.
We're going to break.
Crazy. Yeah, I don't know if you guys heard, like, it was like gunshots and then everybody just started leaving from the game. Roger said 575% is insane. Yeah, that is insane. Where can you buy Tamado, John? Let me see if it's. I'm gonna check if Coiner, if ERR coin is on what's that other website, poocoin.com, because maybe it'll be on there. I could chart it there. Poocoin. ERR. No, it's not. Coiner. No, I guess it's not here either. That's the one, OKX. Oh, you could buy it on OKX, really? Wow. I did not know. I heard of OKX. I just didn't know you could buy Tamadoge on there. Usually those exchanges, you know, take a while to list. Low cap, super low cap coins. Let me see if it's on this website so I could try to find it. Deck screener. Oh, I think I found it. Wait. No. Yeah, there's like no website where it shows like the chart for Coiner. About to be listed though. Oh, okay, so about to be listed. On Bitmart. Yeah, let me search here. Bitmart. Hopefully I don't have to like make an account to be able to see the chart. DER. I think yeah, I found it here. Let's see if it shows the chart now. Yeah, it does. Great. So it does show the chart. It's just kind of tiny. Can I make it bigger? I can't make it bigger because it'll be like full screen and you guys won't be able to see the whole thing because I have like a really big computer. From the 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, based on just looking at this at the small screen, it's just in the right now that what it looks like. Brooklyn is just like in a big pendant. Look, you see this? It's just like. This is what happened. We pumped up like crazy all the way up here. Then we came back down and we're like in the middle between pumping from where we pumped and where we dumped. We're just like in the middle, flat. Like really, really flat from what I see here. So that's what it looks like right now for Tamadoge. It's just in a huge pendant. And just super, super flat. As you can see. But like again, anything can make this move again. Anything can make this pump again. Any listings, any news, because it's still very low cap, right? I'm guessing. But it's just been super flat. It's in this pendant or asymmetrical triangle, right? I guess you can call it. But yeah, definitely. Let us know what the coin's about too. What is Coiner about? Classic crypto chart. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin just been stabilizing here in this range here, 19,561, as you guys can see. You know, we might stay here for a little bit and then drop back down here to 18,900, back to this range, because that's what it looks like it might do, as you can see right here. And then boom, right? Let me draw here a new trend line. Here's a new trend line here. There we go, that's good. Check the roadmap. Yeah, I'll check out the roadmap. I'll go to their website here and check out the roadmap Coiner. Coiner, let's check out here the website. Your payments safer, better, and easier, and they have like the 2 R's. Start sharing. Safer than other apps. Best for decentralized finance apps. So this is the roadmap here, as you can see. Q4 2022, significant influencer marketing push in Turkey and Russian community. Listing in one of the top 10 exchanges. Wow. So they're going to be listing in one of the top 10 exchanges. Milestones of 25,000 holder of ER. But before that, Q3, we had significant influencer marketing push in Arabic community. Listing in 1 tier 3 centralized exchange. Listing in 1 tier 2 centralized exchange. 3 new partnerships. So it looks like they completed a lot of big things here in the roadmap this past year. If you press start trading, it'll take you to xt.com. But it looks like a good project. I'll definitely take a look at it, keep up to date with it. So thank you, Brooklyn, for letting us know about it. But yeah, just been watching this. Let's check here. The total crypto market cap still below $1 trillion, as you guys can see. We were above $1 trillion over here. When was it? Over here? No, not even there. Last time we were above $1 trillion here for the total market cap was actually when we had that big drop here back in September 13th. So that was the last time. But yeah, I'll definitely keep an eye here on all the coins you guys mentioned. I appreciate all of you guys. I'll definitely try to be on tomorrow since I don't work the next 3 days. And it'll be even better because we can live stream for more. Because I got to get good sleep to work tomorrow. But if I live stream tomorrow, it'll be longer because I won't be able to wake up early and prepare to work. So yeah, thank you guys so much for this late night stream. You guys are awesome. I always appreciate having you guys on here. So thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next live streams. Peace.